This is the second video, BMW K1200RS, on trying to cure clutch slip. Clutch is good, it's contaminated with oil from the back oil seal. So what I've just done here is I've tapped and drilled and tapped this. This is going to be my filler plug, and I may leave that so air gets in there. And I've just drilled a hole underneath. See that? And this is the amount of oil that's just come out of the casing. And usually that oil comes out through here once I've been on a run on the bike. So I want to leave the hole, I'll tap and dye it so I can put a plug on there. So I'm going to fill it up with Coca-Cola, let it sit overnight, and carb cleaner, give it a couple of goes of that, flush it out, let it sit again and dry it out. I've got an air compressor. And of course all of this is with a clutch in. That means the plate is away from the pressure plate. So all that Coca-Cola in there, which is one of the best oil cleaners you can get apparently. Check it out on YouTube if you like. And should clean out that casing, which is probably soaked in oil, and the clutch itself.